Oh, it's old pizza. I don't know if they can eat that or not.
Oh, Mama, what's the baby one? One more? One on the floor? Hi, duckies. Can they fly?
Yeah.
One on the floor?
Okay. Back to the creek. That's pretty much the parking lot. Back to the ducks. Alright, throw a little bit at a time. Very good. Okay. Feed them to them. They're looking at you.
Did they catch it?
Alright, get back.
Why are they so fast?
You all done?
Yeah. What else can we do then?
What else did I bring? Just the pizza?
Yeah.
We'll bring that over. We'll see if it's any good.
No.
Nah, that's no good. No, that's trash. Alright, we'll take that back and throw that out.
White one?
Alright.
Pretty far out there.
Oh, put it in the trash, thank you. Very good. Just throw it in the trash, Jack, please.
Please, we have nothing else to throw.
No, alright. Well, that's alright. We got enough for the ducks. You want to walk a little bit? Come on. Let's just go over here. I'll tape over here. You done looking at the ducks?
Yeah. Hey, let's see if I can get up the tree and get a better view.
Let's walk over here and see. This is a good view. Let's go down here and take a view of the creek. Okay.
You think we're going to put dirt? No, you can't. Video from off the bridge. We put video from off the bridge. But Jane, there's a bridge over there we could do the video off.
Oh, walk all the way up on the bridge? No,
Look.
let's walk over here and look at the...
How about...
It's a lot of ducks.
How about...
Come on. Come on, let's walk over here.
On the bridge.
Okay. There's... We're going to walk down here. Come on. Here.
Because they're from us from the bridge. It's bright.
Yeah.
It's really bright.
Okay. Let's look over here. See what's going on over here. Not sure what they're doing here. Looks like they're building something or doing something. I believe there was a ladies' room in that little building there before. I don't know if it's still there. But there's the trash and the little... Yep, and there's... Oh, I want to do... Alright, let's just go get this on tape. We're almost done.
Oh, look, Dad.
Alright.
My back.
He's getting tired. Oh, look, they got all seats out. I wonder what they're for.
They're probably just for watching ducks.
No. They got to be for something special.
Ducks.
Alright. And I'll tape the building. Okay, there's the building. There's where you used to go back there and buy things back there.
I think that's a hint.
Okay, Jack wants to see this. What does it say? I don't know if I can get the words on it or not. I don't know if they're showing or not, but... What's it say? Plannings in recognition of 4 decades of service by Francis Stoughton. I'm not sure how you would say that. Ballard. Valley Green. And Fairmount Park. It's got to be. Yep. That's what it looks like, the creek. And all those chairs. I know sometimes they have weddings back here. I think they do, and that's what that looks like. That's probably what's set up for, maybe. And there's down there. As you can see, plenty of people here. And that's alright, well, come on. I'll just keep it on while we're walking back. You're all tired out, okay. Alright. And I guess we'll cut it here. Since we're going to be walking, it makes it too jumpy anyway. And one more look at the restaurant there. Haven't eaten there in years and years and years and years. I'm going to cut it off now.